All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly reacted to the arrest and harassment of the Kashmiri people during cordon and search operations and house raids in Srinagar and other areas of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, said the continued search operations, summoning the youth to the police stations and arresting the hundreds by the Indian forces have created fear among the people of the territory. Civilian population living in the surrounding areas of the Bandipora forest area is being targeted under the garb of a search operation launched by the Indian forces in the Bandipora district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian troops, paramilitary forces and the police are taking part in the operation, and the civilians living in the forest areas are being harassed and tortured. Residents of the Banyari village of the Bandipora district have denounced the authorities for their anti-people policies. According to Kashmir Media Service, residents said that they have been awaiting the fulfillment of the promise for almost 15 years. National Conference has said that the people of Jammu will defeat the agenda of the Bharatiya Janata Party with the power of the ballot. According to Kashmir Media Service, NC leader Ajay Kumar Sadhotra, addressing an election rally, described the communal politics as hugely detrimental for the country. Residents of the Kulgam district staged a massive protest against the installation of the smart meters on Thursday. According to Kashmir Media Service, large number of men and women hit the roads and expressed the resentment against the authorities' move to install smart meters.